Sophia, and today I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about NeuroQuiet before actually deciding to buy it. So I've actually got some important alerts to share, so stick with me until the end of this video. First of all, let me start with a warning. Be careful with the website you use to buy NeuroQuiet. This supplement is only sold on its official website. So to help you out, I have already left the link to the official website down below in the description box of this video. Now, have you ever imagined a supplement that actually supports both your brain and your hearing health? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what NeuroQuiet was developed for. So with this innovative formula, it combines natural, scientifically proven ingredients to offer some pretty unique and integrated benefits. So let's break it down, right? NeuroQuiet contains specific antioxidants and vitamins that help you protect the sensitive cells in your ears, and these cells can be damaged from things like excessive noise, aging, and oxidative stress. So many users report much clearer hearing after using it, and then say they no longer have an experience that is an annoying auditory discomfort. So pretty amazing, and it actually has a shield strengthening your auditory health and even helping prevent future problems. But that's not even all. If you've been struggling with a lack of focus or just want to sharpen your mind, NeuroQuiet is designed to optimize your cognitive abilities. It also supports your memory, attention, and brain performance, keeping you sharp and productive all day long. And let's talk about energy. How often do you feel drained or fatigue? NeuroQuiet has got you covered here too. So it naturally boosts your energy levels without causing those nasty energy crashes we all hate, and it keeps you from really feeling vital and balanced throughout the whole day. So unlike other products that only focus on one area, NeuroQuiet is actually a comprehensive solution that takes care of your brain and auditory health, all while being completely natural and free of side effects. So it's a no wonder thousands of people are already loving it, and the positive reviews just keep rolling in. Now, here is something really important, and you can actually test NeuroQuiet for 90 days. That's right. If you don't like seeing the results or don't like it at all for any reason, you can literally get all your money back. So there's literally no risk giving it a try. Before I wrap this up though, let me remind you again, if you're interested in trying NeuroQuiet, make sure you buy it from the official website. Now that is literally the only way to ensure you're getting the real deal and also avoiding scams. So I've left the link in the description below for your convenience. So yeah. Alright folks, so that's it for today, and I hope this has helped cleared up everything you need to know about NeuroQuiet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Take care!